without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Rockledge, Cocoa Beach, and Satellite Beach around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cocoa and Vera around 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Space Coast Stadium. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Hurricane warning. The National Weather Service in Tampa Bay, Michigan has issued a flash flood warning for western Pasco County in west central Florida, Pinellas County in west central Florida until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 4 and 8 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flat caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience include Tampa, Clearwater, Largo, Pinellas Park, Seminole, Newport Richey, St. Petersburg, downtown St. Petersburg, Holiday, Fort DeSoto Park, St. Petersburg, St. Pete Beach, South High Point, Feather Sound, Crest, Harbor Bluffs, West and East Leoman, Bay Pines, Gandy and Palm Harbor. Be especially cautious at night when to recognize the dangers of flooding. Stay away or be swept. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Tornado watch number 690 has been for the following county: Hardee, Florida. Repeating, the tornado watch number 690 has been canceled for the following county: Hardee, Florida. This is a tropical weather bulletin from the National Hurricane Center. Tropical storm conditions expected warning for the following counties: Brevard, Florida. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for central Brevard County in east central Florida until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Cocoa Beach, moving northwest at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Rockledge, Cocoa, and Cocoa Beach around 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Port St. John and Canaville Groves around 6:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bellwood. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Hurricane warning. A hurricane warning will 18 to 19 feet. The National Weather Service in Tampa Bay, Michigan has issued a flash warning for Hardee County in central Florida, Hope County in central Florida, southeastern Sumter County in central Florida, northwestern Highlands County in south central Florida, southeastern Hernando County in central Florida, Hillsborough County in west central Florida, northern Manatee County in west central Florida, Pasco County in west Florida, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Tampa, Lakeland, Plant City, Winter Haven Terrace, King City, Bardo, Lake Wales, Auburndale, Zephyr Hills, Avon Park, Dade City, Wauchula, Fish Hawk, Brandon, Roots, St. Petersburg, St. Leo, Lakeland Linder Airport, and Missoula. Move your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Stay away or be swept away. Riverbanks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Flood warning in effect. Flash flood warning for the following counties in Florida: Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Seminole, and Volusia. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a flash flood warning for Brevard County in East Central Florida, Lake County in East Central Florida, Orange County in East Central Florida, Osceola County in East Central Florida, Seminole County in East Central Florida, Volusia County in East Central Florida, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 3 to 6 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Orlando, Deltona, Melbourne, Daytona Beach, Kissimmee, Port Orange, Sanford, Titusville, Apopka, Altamonte Springs, Ormond Beach, Ocoee, Winter Garden, Oviedo, Winter Springs, St. Cloud, Winter Park, DeLand, Castleberry, and Rockledge. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight. Flood watch for tornado warning for the following county: Brevard, Florida. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for North Central Brevard County in East Central Florida until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge, or near Playland Beach, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Haulover Canal, Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge, and Klondike Beach around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Shiloh. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may have this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. for now. Sarasota, Bradenton Airport, South Bradenton, North Sarasota, Kensington Park, to Lambton, The Meadows, Lakewood, and